Here's a 2018 Lexus GX. From the power to impress with elegance and luxury in the city, to the capability and versatility to hit the trails in the great wide open, it's your partner in spontaneity. It comes with all the amenities you need. Automatic transmission, active front and rear anti-roll bar, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, external memory control, memory steering wheel settings, power telescoping steering column, auto tilt-away steering column, and V8 engine. Of the GX 460, Motor Trend notes acceleration is quick and there's no trouble getting up to speed or climbing steep hills. Luxury awaits in every Lexus. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Call, click, or stop into Titus-Will Toyota. We're conveniently located at 3506 South Sprague Avenue in Tacoma, Washington.